Kasorkar jela po kejelam sembut Menteri Rangba kejelau ba Perston Tensong ubalongru Menteri Ketenat Kampoyeng akan reutrik jemang arjar pusan kalalum kerki ya kejelang bat ki officer Ketenat Revenue ki Deputy Commissioner na baro ki district ki he officer ke Border Security Force ban yamir jemut habai de bat penkloino ya kejingker put haki benta ki jaka ki badan nakaput ke India bat Bangladesh la banong bakani kejelang lai syongru hakapor baki pulit ke nong ba Delhi menta ki dang penlong ya jingkhanra kabajur ban lab ik Bangladeshi ki boyo rumtu syari India Lyngba ki jaka khaput bat ban syong bansa da ka pendan kam da ki kot kisla ki bala shushna thong dang hakalai tarik jumang arjar husan ki pulit ke South East Delhi ki la pentep bak la yo ban kem yan riungut ki nong Bangladesh bakan thup yusnar nong khai uchan mia bat prangut ki bapnya ya ka kam khai brio na Bangladesh syari India kabana ka jingtoket la lab bakini ki brio ki perenkam ya ka jela Meghalaya kum ka jaka Rung kentup ke West Bengal habakran siglat thai kubor na kaliang ba Perston ulong khnang banla bante lakam ya ka jingwan Rung kerfem kinong Bangladeshi syakani ka jela la lum ya ka jelang ban yo ban wat ikilat klinti ban penkloi ki kam ker sainar haki jaka bompat dan jingker.
I'm telling you why I have a meeting today for reviewing the status of the boundary fencing. It's one of the factor is because of that. We really wanted to complete those portion where the fencing is still lying incomplete. We would like to complete it at least possible because by having the fencing, you know well that the BSF personnel and the agencies of the state government or distant government can easily monitor as far as the infiltration of those people from outside the country is concerned.
Pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.